Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Take out your book of social studies. Today we are going to continue chapter number 16, that is, Let Us Lead a Healthy Life. Before starting the next topic, I want to ask some questions related to the previous video, and I hope you know the answers very well. So, the questions are: what is clinical thermometer? When do we use a clinical thermometer? What is Celsius? Who invented clinical thermometer? What is mercury? What is stethoscope? Who invented stethoscope? The objective of today's video is to know about microscope, medicine and machines, surgery and anesthesia. Now students, open page number 107 of your book and see the point microscope. This is a magical instrument that helps to see the tiny germs that cause diseases. Zachariah Janssen, a spectacle maker in Holland, happened to see a fly through two lenses placed one behind the other. The fly looked big. This observation led to the invention of the modern microscope. Microscope means an equipment that makes very small objects look big enough for you to see them. Instrument means a tool. Tiny means very small. Germ means a very small living thing that causes diseases. Spectacle means glasses for eyes. Observation means watching carefully. This is a picture of Zachariah Janssen, a spectacle maker who invented microscope. Microscopes allow humans to see cells that are too tiny to see with the naked eyes. They are used in viewing the samples that are very small in size. They are used to view the cell structures of organs, germs, etc. Now, with the help of microscopes, doctors are able to identify germs and give appropriate treatment. Thus, a microscope plays an important part in modern medicine. Appropriate means suitable. Today, hospitals, laboratories, etc. use microscopes to identify which type of germ or bacteria is causing an infection. So, doctor can give appropriate treatment. Microscopes are also used to diagnose cancer and other diseases. Now see the next point, medicine and machines. To understand the human body and the inside of it, many new machines have been made and are being made. Scientists and doctors all over the world are constantly working to develop new machines to understand the human body. X-ray, ultrasound, CAT scan and MRI machines help doctors to a great extent. Students, machine means a piece of equipment with moving parts that is designed to do a particular job. Next word is scientist, a person who studies or teaches science. Constantly means again and again. X-ray means a kind of light that makes it possible to see inside solid objects, for example, the human body, so that they can be examined and a photograph of them can be made. Ultrasound means a medical process that produces an image of what is inside your body. Next is CAT scan. It is also called CT scan. It means an X-ray that detects bone and joint problems. MRI stands for magnetic resonance imaging. MRI machine means a machine for examining the brain and spinal cord problems. Students, see, this is an X-ray of hands. This is ultrasound machine. Now see this picture. A patient is going through the process of CT scan. CT scan means computed tomography. It is also called CAT scan. This is MRI machine. Medical developments and technologies like medicine, more comfortable scanning equipments are allowing patients to spend less time in recovery and more time in enjoying a healthy life. Medical devices are safe and effective in prevention, diagnosis, treatment and recovery of illness and diseases. In this way, we can say that medicine and machines are very important developments in the field of medical science. Now students, concentrate on the next point, surgery. Sometimes it becomes necessary to operate on an affected organ. This is called surgery. A surgery is performed by a specialist and he is called a surgeon. Medical science has advanced so much now that an affected organ can be removed and replaced with a healthy one. For example, doctors can now replace heart, kidneys, liver, and many other organs. Surgery means operation in the treatment of disease or injury. Specialist means expert in a particular subject. Surgeon means a doctor who performs surgery. Next is replace, means to exchange. Modern medical science has made many procedures that are life-saving and life-enhancing. One of them is surgery. An organ transplant is considered as a life-saving method. Medical science has developed so much now, an affected organ like liver, kidneys, heart, lungs, intestine, etc. can be replaced with surgery. In this way, we can say that surgery is life-saving development of medical science. Now students, concentrate on the next point, anesthesia. Earlier, surgery was very painful as patients were conscious during the operation. Today, doctors use anesthesia to make patients unconscious during operations so that they do not feel the pain. In 1847, James Simpson used chloroform for the first time. Students, anesthesia means the use of drugs that make you unable to feel pain during medical operations. Conscious means aware. Unconscious means not aware. Chloroform means liquid used by doctors in the past to make people unconscious. This is a picture of James Simpson who used chloroform for the first time. This is chloroform. Before the use of chloroform, surgeries were quite painful as patients were aware during operations. But the use of chloroform and anesthesia solved the problem. I hope today's lesson is pretty much clear to you. Now your homework is to revise the chapter that we have discussed today. Thanks for watching. Bye.